when an animal has microbes in the range of 16 billion per drop, when she feeds on feeds, they don't get to work on the feeds well enough. And most of the feed passes through the system undigested. And when the feeds are not properly digested, you will see highly fibrous feeds. You will see cow dung that is voluminous, some with rings, and others basically a big amount of it that is a heap. It has fiber, it has undigested dairy meal, it has undigested cereals, and so many other things. And when they do that, the money that a farmer spends on it passes through the system undigested. But a cow that has a good percentage of microbes, where the population per drop is close to about 40 billion per drop, a cow crushes feed very nicely. Cow dung is reduced to almost half, and it is fine, and it doesn't make a mountain. It falls down and forms a dimple at the center as an indicator of good digestion in quotes. Because actually it is not digestion, it is good breakdown by the host of bacteria and microbes that broke down degraded most of what the animal fed on, and gave an animal an opportunity to extract more efficiently. As farmers, do you want to be buying feeds or dairy meats worth 100, use 40 shillings of that 100, and throw 60 shillings into your cow dung heap, and then complain that there is no profitability in dairy farming? To understand that, you must understand that it is only by making silage of what you get that gives microbes an opportunity to work on the feeds first before the animal ingests. They break down the tannins, they break down the lignins, they unlock the energy, they unlock the protein, they unlock the minerals, and then by the time the animal takes, extraction would begin with what has already been degraded, and what hasn't been completed, the microbes will continue degrading it, and within 20-30 minutes, at the 30 hours, completion will be done, and an animal will extract more, and less will go through the system and digest it. And if you don't do that, the microbes in the rumen will not have enough time to degrade that material and break it down into nutrients that will be utilized by your animals. So give microbes enough time to degrade the feed material and get it to a state the cow can easily absorb. The animals, when the animal extracts more, your profitability will go up. You will see more milk. You will see faster growth of your animals. Your animals will easily come on heat. And the beef animals will grow faster and increase weight. And in fact, when you help your animal to break down feeds and extract the nutrients that you package in the feeds, you will realize for beef animals, you can even be able to realize 1 kg increase in weight per day, because the energy that you package gets to be utilized. You will also realize that the minerals will be more available because they are broken down to tiny particles that are easily absorbed or utilized by the animals. So break down the nutrients for the animal to extract in order for you to be able to utilize, to benefit from the feeds.